Hey friends, today we're going to draw a cat.
Yeah, in school. Hey parents and teachers, did you know we have a special place to draw without any ads or distractions? You can watch all of our lessons on artforkidshub.tv or in our official app available on Apple, Android, Roku, and more. It's the best way to draw together as a family or in the classroom anytime, anywhere, and without interruptions. Check it out and subscribe at artforkidshub.tv. Here's a quick preview of how our drawings turned out at the very end, and these look really cute. I hope our art friends are really excited to follow along with us.
Yeah, for this lesson you need a pencil and some markers.
Yeah, and an eraser. But you could also use whatever you have. Now, we're using our pencil just for a little bit, not a lot. We're just going to draw the main shape for our cat's head. Then we're going to switch to our marker to draw the rest of the details. But you could also use a pencil for the whole entire thing. You don't have to use markers. Yeah. All right, you ready to start?
Yes.
Let's use our pencil first to draw the shape of our cat's head. I'm going to draw it right here. I'm going to draw an upside down. Oh, you got your marker. Yeah. We're going to use our pencil first.
Yeah.
Well, I'm going to draw an upside down letter U in the middle, but also towards the top so that we have room for the body and desk. Then we're going to draw the bottom of our cat's head. I'm going to draw a little flatter, or more flat down here at the bottom. And then we still got round cheeks in the corners or on the sides. And that's it. That's all we're using our pencil for. We can switch to our marker now. And let's draw our cat's, we're going to do this kind of weird. We're going to start down here and draw the cat's arm. We're going to draw it curving around and then coming back and then almost like we're connecting in. Oh, it looks like the letter 6.
Oh yeah.
And then we're going to draw the same thing on the other side, but going the other direction. Trying to match. And then if we want to draw the pencil on the right hand, we can, or the left hand. Well, this is the left side, but it's the right hand.
Oh yeah.
Because it's looking at us.
Yeah.
So let's draw a pencil. First, we're going to draw a diagonal line. Then we're going to draw a matching diagonal line right next to it, going the same direction, and I connect it down here. Then we're going to draw the letter V for the end of the pencil. And then we can also draw the little lead or color it in at the bottom. Yes, and then we're going to draw the eraser up here by drawing a little curve to connect. And then we can draw the 2 lines for the end of the pencil. Yeah, oh, let's also draw 2 curves for the fingers on the paws. All right, there's the little arms hanging onto the pencil and also the homework.
Yeah.
Now let's draw the face for a cat. I'm going to start here. We'll draw a little letter U. And then we'll draw a curve connecting the top. And we can color that in for the nose. Then let's draw a letter U and another letter U. It's a W actually.
Oh yeah.
For the mouth. Then we could draw the eyes. I'm going to draw an oval and a matching oval for the other eye. And we can color those in. Now, if we ever go too fast or we fast forward, we always say it.
Pause the video.
Yeah, they can pause the video if you need more time. Next, let's draw the shape of our cat's head. We're going to use the pencil for the guideline, but we're also not going to trace over the entire thing. So first, let's draw the top of the head in between the ears. So we're going to start by drawing over the pencil line, but not all the way over or around. Then we're going to draw the first ear. I'm going to draw it on this side. We'll come up, and then we'll connect back into the pencil line. And I drew this one first on the left side because we're right-handed. Mm-hmm. If you're left-handed, you might want to draw this ear first.
Yeah, it might be easier.
Yeah, because then when we're drawing this second ear, we can look over here to match. So I'm going to try to match. It's okay if it's not exactly the same. But then we're going to come down and try to create the same size. Yeah, good job. Next, let's draw the cheeks. I'm going to trace over the pencil line and into the arm. And the same thing on the right side. And I went just a little past the arm right here to make it look more 3D. And then we can draw a short line. I'm not going to trace or connect on both sides, but this is just for the inside of the ear. And then we'll do the same on this side. What's our little cat missing?
Whiskers.
Yeah, let's draw 2. I'm going to draw 1, 2, and then matching 2 whiskers on this side. Okay, now we need to draw our little cat's school desk and homework. Let's first draw, I'm turning my paper this way. Sometimes I think that's a little easier to draw a straight line, but we're going to connect in between the paws. Next, we're going to imagine this line going through the paw, and we're going to come out the other side, and we'll keep it short, but this is the back of the table. And we can do the same on the right. Okay, now we're going to draw a diagonal line coming down and out on each side. Next, let's connect these 2 lines together. I'm going to turn my paper sideways to draw the straight line going across. Yeah, that's looking awesome. And I love that your table is a little smaller. It looks cool. Okay, and then we can make the desk look more 3D by drawing 2 short lines down for the thickness. And then we can turn our paper sideways again if we need to and connect those lines together. Okay, now let's draw the legs for our table or desk. I'm going to draw 2 lines coming down on the left and also on the right. I like how tall your desk is.
Oh, yeah.
And then it's awesome. Sometimes you have tall desks. And
Yeah.
then I'm going to connect the bottom of each leg. And then next, let's draw our little cat's legs. And they don't, and the feet, they don't touch the bottom of they don't touch the floor. They're just hanging off the edge of the chair. Then we can draw 2 little toe lines on each foot. Then we're going to draw the chair that our little cat's sitting on. I'm going to draw really short lines on the left and the right. And then we can imagine that going behind our little cat's feet and connect to the other side. Then let's draw the legs for the chair. We're going to draw 2 short lines down on the left and the right. Then let's connect those together. And I'm going to add another little brace going across the bottom of the chair. Because the side of my table is a little more 3D, it's got the diagonal lines pointed in more. Right here, I can kind of see that the leg or the back of the desk would have another leg that would come down. So I'm going to draw this in here right next to it like this. But on yours, it's a little different. You could just draw, see how the end of your table or desk is right here? It's almost right in line. You could just draw a short line right here and then connect it in. And then the same thing over here. What's our cat missing?
His tail.
Yeah, let's add a tail. And your cat could be a boy or a girl, right?
Yeah.
We could just change little details if we want. I'm going to draw 2. I could have made the tail a lot thicker, but I like it kind of skinny like this too. So we got 2 curved lines coming out, and then we'll connect back in. Okay, now what are we missing?
His homework.
Yeah, the homework. It's just drawing on the table.
Yeah.
That's not good. Okay, let's draw a little line coming out from the paw on each side. And I'm kind of matching the outside of the table, so they're a little diagonal. And then we can draw the line coming across and connecting. We did it! We finished drawing our cat at school, except we still need to
Color him.
Yes, this part will fast forward, but at the end you can pause the video if you want to match our same coloring. Oh, and one more thing, we need to use our eraser before we color. Let's erase all of those guidelines or pencil lines you can still see.
Okay.
Awesome, we did it. We finished coloring our little cats and they turned out perfect. Especially like yours. It looks like it's in kindergarten. It's a little smaller. And mine's in first grade.
Yeah, these look really cool, but I think our friends need to add a background.
Yeah, you could draw your whole school classroom and even add more cats.
Yeah.
And a teacher.
Oh yeah, and you can color your cats differently.
Yeah, we colored ours orange with orange stripes, but you could change it. Maybe it's white with black spots.
That would be cool. We hope you had a lot of fun drawing a cat in school.
And we'll see you later, our friends.
Goodbye.
Did you know we've got a whole series of how to draw books? We teamed up with DK to create 6 amazing titles, each one packed with fun, step-by-step lessons. The print quality is so amazing and they're really affordable too. We're so grateful for DK and excited to share these with your family. Grown-ups, you can learn more and grab your copies by clicking the link in the description below.